From custom gear to insane cosplay, the Bambu Labs P1S 3D printer is the ultimate tool for creators. So stick around and see why this piece of tech should be your next purchase. I've been nerding out over 3D printing for years, checking out the latest at CES and figuring out the differences between FDM, SLA, PLA, PETG, and TPU. But every time I've stayed on the sidelines, because let's be real, the learning curve to 3D printing is steep, and it's just not user-friendly enough. Thankfully, Bambu Labs has released what I consider to be the first consumer-friendly 3D printer. Now, before going any further, I want you all to know that I am not paid or sponsored by anyone, and this machine was paid for with my own hard-earned cash. So any of the thoughts expressed are mine and mine alone. No phony baloney, no camera tricks. As you can see from my unboxing video, setup was relatively easy, and getting the machine to print something high quality was super straightforward, thanks to the power of amazing hardware and the equally impressive user-friendliness of the mobile app. Yep, you heard right, the mobile app. Now, I know for those of you that are hardcore 3D printing nerds, you'll immediately want to jump into the PC/Mac slicing software. And while I acknowledge this is where you can truly unleash the full power of this printer by customizing every single detail of your print, I'd argue that most first-time buyers will be extremely intimidated by that interface. But fear not, this is where Bambu Labs has truly innovated. They have developed a user-friendly mobile app that makes 3D printing accessible to the masses by granting users the ability to control the printer, keep tabs on current print jobs via the printer's internal camera, and easily find and print files others have created, all from your phone with a few simple taps of your finger. Now, instead of getting into the typical machine review details, I'm just going to break down the pros and cons of the P1S so you can decide for yourself whether or not to pick one up. As stated earlier, the P1S is easy to set up and get going relatively quickly. While the included instructions and online materials state a 30-minute setup, I think it's closer to 1 hour. But let's be honest, 1 hour is a small price to pay when you consider the limitless creative possibilities this machine unlocks. The mobile app is a true game changer, granting you the ability to print on the go. This feature alone has honestly changed my life, and I suspect the future of 3D printing. Any doubts I may have had about the P1S's true capabilities were quickly put to rest. This is not a beginner's 3D printer. It's designed to handle anything you throw at it, as long as you've installed the PC or Mac software. Once installed, you can confidently tackle even the most complex tasks. For example, I used a 3D model and video tutorial from a fellow YouTube creator to print a custom adapter that upgraded this prosumer Portkeys EVF into a professional-grade Cine EVF. Fancy yourself a CAD designer? Then you're in luck. I designed a magnetic case for the Aperture M9 right on my iPad Pro using Shaper 3D, exported the STL file, and printed it seamlessly on the P1S. And if you're wondering about print quality, let me put your doubts to rest. Remember that Wolverine helmet I was wearing earlier? I 3D printed it myself, and the quality was so good, it helped me win this epic Nick Cage towel at a recent Halloween costume contest. But wait, there's more. Want to take this already impressive printer to the next level? Then I highly recommend adding the AMS. It's an incredible upgrade that doesn't get nearly enough attention. This add-on transforms an already powerful and versatile machine by allowing you to load up to 4 spools of filament and mix and match them during printing. Crazy! I know! Your nerd cred will skyrocket. No joke. Everyone who's seen this machine and the prints it produces has been genuinely blown away. It is rare to come across a piece of technology that makes you wonder if it's magic or straight out of science fiction. But the Bambu Labs P1S does exactly that. Now, with all the gushing out of the way, there are a few drawbacks one should keep in mind. While the P1S is an impressive 3D printer, and Bambu Labs has made significant strides in making 3D printing more accessible, it still doesn't pass the mom test. You still need a bit of technical know-how to operate this machine effectively. 2, the machine is loud. Not New York City traffic loud, but it's pretty reminiscent of sitting next to a Xerox machine at the office. Yes, I'm old. 3, the lighting in the enclosure is terrible. And while it may work for creating super cool time lapses like this, doing any of the mandatory maintenance inside the machine is frustrating since you can't see what you're doing. So bring your own headlamp or print yourself this mod that allows you to adapt a ring light under the AMS. 4. Speaking of time-lapse videos, getting to those files is a real chore that requires you using their software, which is a huge bummer since posting those sweet time-lapse videos on TikTok would definitely help spur awareness and adoption. Just saying. Agree, disagree, let me know all about it in the comment section below. But more importantly, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button. They let you know when I drop a new episode. Catch you guys next time.